to Krishna, USA, and I hope you guys are going to have a good day. And today, I'm going to be teaching ABCs from A to Z, and I already wrote it down. And first, we're going to start with A, and then go by the row. A, apple, A. B, boy, B. C, cat, C. D, dog, D. E, elephant, E. F, fish, F. G, girl, G. H, helicopter, H. I, ice cream, A. J, juice, J. K, kite, K. L, lemon, L. M, mosquito, M. N, naughty, N. O, octopus, A. P, parrot, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rabbit, R. S, snake, S. T, table, T. U, us, V, versus V. W, what, W. X, xylophone, X. Y, yes, Y. Z, zebra, Z. So those are the ABCs, and now let's sing them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Won't you sing with me next time? I know that's not how. I hope you guys are gonna. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and please like this video up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what mathematic or learning ways you think I should do next, and share this video, and see you in the next vlog. Bye.